Understanding Flea Infestation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase, flea infestation. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a great example of how English combines words to describe specific situations. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The term, flea infestation, is made up of two words, flea and infestation. Let's break them down. Flea. A flea is a small, wingless insect that lives on the bodies of animals and humans. They are known for their ability to jump long distances and for biting, causing itchiness and discomfort. Infestation. Infestation refers to the situation where a large number of animals, insects, or other pests are present in a place, causing damage or disease. So, a flea infestation happens when a large number of fleas are present in an area, usually in a home or on a pet, causing problems for the inhabitants. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After we adopted the stray cat, we had to deal with a flea infestation in our house. 2. The veterinarian advised us on how to prevent a flea infestation in our pet's bedding. 3. I read an article about how a flea infestation can affect both pets and their owners. These sentences show different contexts in which you might encounter or use the term, flea infestation. Understanding the term also means knowing how to prevent or address it. Prevention, regular cleaning, using flea prevention products for pets, and maintaining good hygiene can help prevent flea infestations. Treatment. If an infestation occurs, treatments can include thorough cleaning, using flea control products, and sometimes professional pest control services. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, flea infestation. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding different phrases and their contexts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.